Water lang ako.
Aris na ngayon. Aris na ngayon. Oo. Meron ba?
Gerald from USMEF. He has roughly about a 40-50 minute presentation.
So imagine the parents is a Black Angus, good mothers, good meat. Hereford, big boys, right? And the ability to do marbling. Marbling is the fat, intravascular fat that you find in the steak. So the offspring would be really good for these. Sorry.
You can come in front as near as possible to our steps so that we can.
Cattle that is used for milk production in the United States has everything what it takes to cook. By saying it contains enough fat, enough flavor to just cook it. It doesn't need oil, it doesn't need anything to cook the beef itself. A few with pepper.
Everyone's familiar with the ribeye. The rib is the most sought of steak cut from your clientele. But top-blade muscle might not be familiar to you guys, or it could be, but the unique selling point of this cut is it's the second most tender across all the cuts. What's the first? Tenderloin. What's tricky about this meat cut is there's a gelatin in the middle. So normally when a butcher does it,